Following the P, now we come to the welding. The worker is welding. To weld an air, don't underestimate this and its function to dilute the air in the air, to form a vacuum layer, to lock the temperature firmly in the cup. Meanwhile, it comes to the welding workshop, ready for welding the bottom of the inner line. The worker skillfully puts the bottom into the mold. The cylinder pushes and fixes it as a turntable moves. The laser welding gun works after a forge, an inner liner is formed. Next is the welding of the copper. After matching the inner liner, put it into the machine for welding. Turn on the switch. It also rotates while the copper is also welded. Next is the welding of the bucket. Place the product with weld into the machine, then insert the shell. The operation is similar to the inner line. In a short time, the formed Thermos top box is initially completed. The welded top, the mouth is still welded. Now you need to polish the mouth of the top. To polish off the welding impurities. You can also see that if the welding is good, it prepares for the next vacuuming. To prepare next, I will introduce the most critical part of the vacuuming process. For various problems, you can send me a please follow me and give the video a like.